Welcome to Cenex Live. I'm Erin Rogie, a product expert for the Cenex brand. Today, we're talking about the benefits of our newly enhanced Cenex Premium Diesel Fuel and how it can enhance your operation. With the investments made in today's high-tech engines, farmers are focused on making the most out of each piece of equipment in their operation. Equipment and output are more valuable than ever, and downtime is even more detrimental. Thankfully, the next generation of Cenex Premium Diesel Fuel is here to provide your crucial equipment with the power, precision, and protection it needs to get the job done, even in the most challenging conditions. So let's dive in. So why should farmers invest in Cenex Premium Diesel Fuel rather than a typical number 2 diesel? Well, let me give you a few reasons. First, Cenex Premium Diesel Fuel, like Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster, provides farmers with more power and fuel economy than a regular number 2 diesel. It keeps heavy-duty equipment in peak condition to decrease downtime and maintenance costs. Its terminally injected additive package is precisely balanced to deliver superior performance, protection, and power. And Cenex is one of the only distributors that has an expansive network to deliver a terminally injected premium diesel product. So let's dig a little deeper. What's different about the newly enhanced Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster? The improved formula of Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster includes key additives that Cenex customers have relied on for years. The formulation was enhanced to provide even better performance in equipment. The evolution of Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster helps farmers more than ever with 4 new enhancements. In comparison to the previous formula or generation, Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster has an advanced aggressive detergency package that is 40% more effective at breaking down harmful engine deposits and 2.5 times more effective in cleaning up and removing injector deposits. The newly enhanced Cenex Premium Diesel also delivers 75% less filter blocking and 20% better biostability in comparison to a typical number 2. The new 2-phase total water management system helps in safeguarding the combustion system from the harmful effects of water. The first phase allows a demulsifier to separate the majority of free water from the fuel, allowing it to settle at the bottom of the tank for easy drainage. And then the detergency entrains any remaining water molecules for safe passage through the engine's combustion system. Lastly, the next generation improves fuel efficiency and support of the exhaust after treatment system over the previous formula. This is demonstrated by 25% lower temperature deviations across the combustion chamber. So, you might be asking, how does Cenex Ruby Fieldmaster help protect my bottom line? Through its comprehensive range of benefits, the next generation of Cenex Premium Diesel works harder for your equipment, providing the cleanest, most complete combustion, even in the toughest conditions. You'll welcome a whole host of benefits that will help your equipment and operation thrive. Complete combustion, resulting in fuel economy by up to 5%, allows you to do more with your fuel and get the best bang for your buck. Increased engine power by up to 4.5% helps you maximize the use of your equipment when it's needed most, so you get the job done in the most efficient way possible. And then there's industry-leading cleanliness to protect against contaminants, which reduces downtime and maintenance costs. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions about the enhancements of the next generation of Cenex Premium Diesel Fuels, drop your question in the comment section below. And to find your local Cenex dealer or learn more tips on how to optimize your operation, visit cenexperts.com.